Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to recover your accidentally deleted audio files inside your Android mobile device. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is look for My Files inside your mobile device, and then from here you'll be brought to this section where it says recent files, categories, etc. On this page you want to scroll all the way down, and then you want to click onto Recycle Bin. Here's an audio file I just deleted for this demonstration. So to restore this, long tap on it, and now down below click on, it will say restore. So go ahead and click on restore here, and now that audio file has been restored. If you got multiple files here that you want to restore, just long tap on one and then just checkbox all of the other ones you want to restore, and then they'll be restored. Simple as that, guys.